Hi, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester to show you the 2020 Mercedes-Benz Metris. This is a 4-liter, 208 horsepower turbo. This is the steel blue, and up top we have the roof rails. And as you can see here, these are the painted black rims. This does have the trailer hitch. This is an 8-foot length cargo. So this is a 270. So these doors open all the way. They connect to a magnet back below. One has a side door, easy to get in and out of for whatever your needs are. So with the 2020 Metris cargo van, this is the 126 wheelbase. 4-cylinder, direct inject gasoline. It has the roof rails. It has the driver comfort package, which is the lumbar support. It has the driver efficiency package, which is the cruise control, fog lamps, cold weather, which is the heated driver seats, which is very nice. Multi-function steering wheel, and this one does come with the Mercedes Pro Connect, which is a communication modular for you to set up. This is your key fob. Put it in turn. You have storage up here, holders here. Down below right here you have your cup holders, which makes it very simple. You also have for your cell phone, and you have your USB charging unit right there. So this is your radio. It's very simple. You change your stations. Makes it very simple. You also have your media. If your phone was attached, you could listen to your music. Also has the Bluetooth capability, so you can set up your phone. While we're looking at the screen, I'm just going to put this in reverse. So this gives you a nice option of looking backwards, and as I turn, you can see the yellow move to whichever direction we're turning to better help you, but it always doesn't hurt to use the 2 side mirrors as well as you're backing up. So this is your heated seats. That's for the passenger. We have it for the driver as well. Over here is the multi-function steering wheel, so you can control your Bluetooth, your volume, and all your controls here. Makes it very simple. Down over here is your heat. Very simple. That's Mercedes, makes it very simplistic. Thank you for looking at the 2020 Mercedes-Benz Metris. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 603-702-2373. Thanks, and make it a great day.